Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2001 Toyota Camry 2.2. We're doing a catalytic converter on it and O2 sensor upstream. That's the part number I got for that. And that's the location right there, right up top. Let's get it. So we got 12mm bolts. Already loosened them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and take this harness connector off. This O2 sensor. That's those shields. Got them off. That's the cat. Alright, so we got some bolts. Got a bolt down there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. Got them loose. All of them but that one right there. Now, in order to get that one, gotta remove the alternator. Not remove it all the way, but make it pivot to where you can get access up on here and get this last bolt. What I did was loosen that 13mm, loosen this 12mm, this 12mm. You see it came with, it was up here, and I loosened it, and now I can move it. This belt can come off. And then I can move it a little higher to get up under there and clear it. To hit this bolt right here. Now I can get in there with no problem. Just like that. Get them all out. And after that, we have some bolts at the bottom. Should be able to take this bolt off here. Then we got to get up underneath and hit that one and that one. While we up here, I'm gonna go ahead and take this bracket off right here. $14mm. That's a $14mm. Alright, we're gonna get up under it. We got 1, 2, and 3. So I got 3 14mm. We're gonna have to hit from below. That's the bolts there. And we back up top. There's a bracket right here. Had to remove it at 14. I used a wrench to remove it. That's where it goes. Now we can pull this thing out. Just like that. We're gonna have to take this back shield off, remove those bolts, and put it on a new one. Always reinstall your shield, because that covers this hot ass catalytic converter. It will catch something on fire, believe that. that one off. 12 mil. Put it on a new one. Alright, we gotta remove that and put it in a new one. That's an E10. Alright, that done broke on me. It didn't work out too well. We'll have to find something to put in place of that. But in the meantime, we're going in. Want to remove your old gasket. Got everything we need in here. Alright, you want to screw those down. Get this old gasket out. Old gasket, new gasket. Now we can go ahead and reinstall. Did have to loosen that up so that it can swivel. Now we back in there, we're gonna bolt it down, tighten it up. Just like that, we in there. Till next time, the pull-up game.